Okay, this is another piece of Bradford Pear I got from Wood Spun Round, Doug, and there's a couple of cracks in here. We'll see. I'm not sure. I'm going to make, obviously this will be my bottom, this will be the top. I haven't decided what exactly I'm going to do yet. I have some plans, but I'm not sure they're going to work out. I got to get this a little bit shaped up, and then I'll decide what I want to do. Okay, so I decided I'm going to basically leave it at this shape to make the bowl kind of big but still have some natural saw mark areas. I'm going to have to take some more off here to get rid of these little dings. This here, I like this, I'll leave that. And I like this chainsaw surface. So I think it's going to be interesting. And if I took it off down to where all of this disappeared, the bowl would be pretty small. Obviously, I got a big gouge right here, so I'm going to have to take off a eighth of an inch, maybe 3/16 more to get rid of some of my problems. Overall, I think it's going to turn out okay. I'm going to have to use the flap sander, the Sandoflex, to get this stuff out of here. I might have to use a wire brush to get rid of some of it. Okay, I've got my Bradford Pear bowl. It's pretty much done. I haven't finished the inside yet. Or no, I've finished the inside. I've finished everything up to but this back side here. I'm going to drill this out to where I can put my wooden nickel in. This is a 2-inch diameter Forstner bit. And then I'm going to do some shaping here to get this so it looks nice. And then I'll have to sand it and finish it, and then that'll be good. Okay, here's my Bradford Pear, the second bowl that I've made from the wood I got from Wood Spun Round Doug. And it's maybe 9 inches across and 3.5 inches high, 4 inches high. It's got a lot of worm paths there, exposed chainsaw marks on both ends and actually on the side here. And then it's got 2 sides that have bark that's been removed, and actually you can see it right here maybe. And this side is there's 3 chainsawed sides and then a fairly large area. It's got pretty thin on the sides where the deepest worm work was. There's like a 1/8 of an inch maybe. I almost blew it out because I wasn't paying attention to what was going on there. I did have pretty reasonable luck with it. I noticed that the dark areas in here I think are just stress marks from when I don't use either I'm too aggressive in cutting the wood out or the tool's not sharp enough. Here in particular, I think you can see it there. And here's the bottom just for